Alright, welcome back to another tutorial to keep your subdivision surfaces non-destructive. So I'm gonna grab a simple piece of cube mesh that you're seeing it on the viewport from Blender. Cool, looks good for me, and I'm gonna start doing the stuff what I wanted. I'm gonna change the matte cap to something visible. And I'm gonna turn the cavity on just to keep the traces of the edges that's flown across, and it's beautifully projected over here on the screen. Cool, alright, awesome. Let's go ahead and turn on the wireframe to see how the edges are projected over. Cool. Pretty much it, and I'm gonna go to the modifiers tab and enable the remesh modifier to increase the resolution of your mesh. Cool. So here's the thing, you can change the number of cuts and use the shade smoothing to keep the edges more smoothened. So far, so good, looking great. Mesh is actually subdivided. I can change this with respect to time at any given point of time, and I can also change the quality of the mesh, the resolution and the definition of the mesh whenever I want it. That's the beauty of using this trick. So I'm gonna change this to a different matte cap modifier. Oh cool, already it's looking great at the shading